Mentor, and today she will be performing 4 to 5 exercises to be precise to relieve back pain. Now, first exercise. Just bend your knee and touch your nose or your chin to the knee to stretch out your back. You can hold your knee for a little help. Do the same with both legs. You can hold this for a few seconds and do this 4 or 5 times every day. Now do the same exercise, except touch both your knees and hold it for help. Change exercise. Now you're just going to lie down, separate your legs a little bit with your hands on your wrist. Then put your waist up and take a support of your hands on your waist. Hold this for a few seconds and do this twice or thrice every day to just stretch out your back. The seconds you hold could be according to your body type, so it's important to know how much your body can do. Now you're just going to do the same, but now you're going to look to your opposite side and put the legs to the opposite side you're looking. Just like that. You can hold this for 4 to 5 seconds, all according to your body type, and do this 4 or 5 times a day. Change exercise. You're going to turn around and do a basic cobra pose, is what it's called. You're going to keep your legs separate and stretch out your back. Hold it for a few seconds and do this how many times you want a day. You're going to look to the side to just stretch out your neck as well. Now, just sit in a simple crossover and just have your hands onto the floor, bend them, and tuck into a baby pose. Just stay there for a few seconds, and this exercise is used to relieve yourself after a few exercises. So I recommend if you do this after exercising. Now, change exercise. You're going to just do another stretch out back exercise and touch your hands to your toe, making this posture. And look up. If you want to do it more critically, you can look back. You're going to just breathe a little bit and give yourselves breaks throughout these exercises so you don't get tired doing them. You could do this how many times you want a day and how many seconds. It's just that you have to keep on doing this regular so that you don't strain your back. You're going to just change exercise. You're just going to keep your legs straight and arms straight, lie down and arch out your head. Stay there for a few seconds and try to hold it as much as you can. This is basically for stretching out your neck and changing exercise. Thank you so much for watching.